Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. First of all, check if your theme is mobile friendly. Go to Appearance, then select your template, then click Customize Site and look for mobile preview to see how it looks. Next, install a responsive plugin like WP Touch or AMP for WP to improve mobile responsiveness. Go to Dashboard, then select Plugins, search WPTOCH, then enter, select it. Make sure your website is not zoomed out. In Settings, then Readings, check your layout settings. Use Chrome Dev Tools to inspect mobile responsiveness. Right click on your site, click Inspect, and switch to mobile view. Clear your cache. If you are using a caching plugin, clear it and also refresh your browser cache. That's it. Your WordPress site should now be mobile friendly. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.